Generally, money making online takes a little bit of time to earn more profit. It can be AdSense, Amazon, ClickBank, or even CPA. All you need is planning, work determination, and passion about your niche or any category that you choose. Always focus on choosing the right niches, and once you have chosen, put all your effort into it. Basically, ClickBank works great if you're having a blog or websites on sales. Invest in creating your ClickBank website and you can easily get it back. Try choosing big niches with a lot of subcategories so that you can attract the customers with mass audience very easily. Monetize your account at least twice a week to have a track with what's happening. So, if you're following these important things, you can easily succeed in your ClickBank journey.